Back to the action, our score 30-12, courtesy of Team San Diego. Baseline for Samson, traveling violation. And fresh off the bench, Samson still unable to warm up. But they got the first game, so he was able to have that legs going up for him. Full court pressure being applied here by Team San Diego. David looking at the smaller defender, David. To Abaca, and Abaca losing it. No look pass to Anthony, and Anthony, that was just a terrific play coming from Valenzuela to Anthony. Well, you gotta admire the teamwork of Team San Diego. No? Unselfish basketball, everybody sharing that ball. Well, the high-octane, fast-paced offense of Team San Diego is still evident here in this tournament. Back to Navarro. Navarro with the hand on his face, and
As fans, we want to win this.
drilling it.
We don't know what's going to happen in the future,
Showing
right?
a lot of confidence from the three-point range. David, Abaca. Two defenders, Valenzuela again. Valenzuela, everything but the shot, but Navarro is there to rescue. Anthony blocked by Hassani. And Hassani with the emphasis on that block. And that should wake up Team Metro Ball to show some aggressiveness in the defensive end. And Valenzuela is making life is difficult. Fabuna, too strong. Abaca almost losing it. Or that would be Muna. Both teams number one, no? Number one in jersey. Abuna, Marvel, and Muna. Fabuna, crossover. David and Hassani. And Navarro will be called in the loose ball foul. This is a good time for Team Metro Ball to make things happen with David and dribble. Well, credit again the suffocating defense of Valenzuela, making life things difficult here for the Metro Ball handlers. Valenzuela, small but terrible here, making his presence felt. Navarro waiting for the defense. Fabula, no one to bother him. And again, those assists, that extra pass has been the main reason why San Diego is still undefeated. But that is basketball, no? You need to share that ball. You need to keep everyone involved in every play as much as possible. Like we said, no? There's no I in team, but there's I in win, according to Kobe. And there's some chaos down there, but San Diego able to come on top. Anthony to Navarro, quick passing. Back to Anthony. And Anthony just showing us his full repertoire of his offensive arsenal. Well, that's full weapon for Anthony. Anthony has been inside, outside in terms of his offensive skill set. Substitution. Sean. Substitution for Carlos, who has been exhausted, so to speak, with 3 minutes and 50 remaining here in the first half. Team San Diego still in command. Well, the reinforcements for Team Metro Ball, Hassani and David, Twin Towers. Navarro, thought about it. Navarro, continues. Samson gets shaken off literally. That was Hassani literally making his presence felt there. Foul will be called on Fabuna. penalty. Baseline throw in before we go to the halftime. 3 minutes remaining, and Samson cutting off that passing lanes. Good denial at that point. On the post, Abarca short on that one. Bullet pass to Navarro, and Navarro put that in the highlight reel for Navarro. That was a baseball pass. They go at the post, touch pass, baseline, reverse to Baldwin, Hassani, making it alive, and Hassani will be hacked down low. Substitution, let's wait for the referee's call. So after the dead ball, I think, Hassani, on the free throw line, of course, check your schedule on the Freemason Interlodge Basketball League. Abarca out, Pablo in. Hassani on the line, splits his free throws. Valenzuela. That's been the floor general here for San Diego. Navarro, quick pass, Pabuna. Defensive awareness substitution. So let's wait for the call. Anthony against Hassani. Pabuna backing Anthony. This is an interesting matchup. Hassani against Anthony. Screen, substitution na, pwede na ba? Substitution. That will be Chua in for David. One-sided ball game, 44-14 in favor of Team San Diego. But of course, the quotient system will play later on in the tournament. That's why they still need to put those points. Navarro, 2-2. Able to bother him. Sean, defensive awareness for Sean. Here he comes with the ball. Throws a prayer, but he was able to fish a foul. Valenzuela will be called for the personal foul. Valenzuela, first foul. Time out here for Team San Diego. We'll be right back after this timeout. Back to the action. Team San Diego up by a commanding 30 points, 1 month. And they're trying to close the gap. Team Metropol. Well, you gotta give Team Metropol, this is their first game. This is the first time they have been together. Well, Team San Diego, they have been, the team chemistry has been there for them. As they already go there and position themselves. Navarro with a difficult shot. Excellent move from Navarro, substitution. What a move from Navarro. Excellent. excellence of execution, Navarro pounding in the paint.